good times flow. C-Small TV, come along for the ride. Crazy and funny with family by my side. Every snap a story, every smile a dream. In my wild world, we're the ultimate team.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl CC back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you see something today that inspires you to subscribe. And if you're already a family member, welcome back. Bam! Today's video is inspired by this book right here. I was influenced by another creator here on YouTube, Janae Jax. Yeah. And this was our inspiration, you guys. This was it. Tired. We are making Rice Krispie treats.
Hello, everybody.
All right. So, like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I was inspired by this book right here. What got me is it said it takes less than an hour, because y'all know I don't got all the time in the world. It's a school night, but we want something sweet. We just ate. And so we are making strawberries and cream Rice Krispie treats based loosely off of this, but y'all know I gotta add my own razzle dazzle. So let's get into the video. Okay, so for today's recipe, obviously we need Rice Krispies, vanilla, strawberry emulsion, white chocolate chips, sprinkles, marshmallows, butter, salt, and last but not least, strawberries. So freeze-dried strawberries. So y'all know I freeze-dried my own strawberries. So that's what I'm going to be using today. But I'm sure you can pick up freeze-dried strawberries at your local grocer. We need 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. If y'all hear talking and stuff in the background, like I said, I'm a mom, I got kids, my kids got friends over the house, all of the things. So welcome to real life. So I'm measuring out 6 cups of Rice Krispies. So we have 6 cups of Rice Krispies, and I'm just gonna set this to the side for now. And now we're taking it to the stove, so I'll meet y'all at the stove. So Tootie has decided to help me. Say hey to the people.
Hey.
So we are prepping the ingredients, so it's easier for him in the kitchen. So we are popping open our freeze-dried strawberries, and it says we need 1.5 cups. I think he eating all the more the ingredients that we cooking with. Go ahead. So I'll let that be our 1 cup, and then that's about half the cup. Sure, if it falls out, you can eat it. So that's 1.5 cups of strawberries. We have 1 cup of chocolate chips, well, white chocolate chips. And then what else do we need to do to prep? half a teaspoon of salt.
Let's clean this off.
Oh, thank you so much.
It had strawberry.
It has strawberry dust on it.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for all of your help. We have our pan, and while it's a USA pan, so nothing should stick, I lined it with wax paper. And I'm just gonna grease it down. I need 6 tablespoons of butter, so I cut off the 6, and then I have the 2 tablespoons left, so I'm just gonna grease this down with what's left. Let me bring y'all in so y'all can see what we got going on. Are you excited?
Yes. I already know what it's gonna look like.
What is it gonna look like?
That.
Mm-hmm.
But a little different. It's gonna be changed.
Mm-hmm. So we gotta make it our own little thing, our own little recipe. We can finally move to the stove now. We're moving to the stove. Hey y'all, so I really have no clue what happened to this footage, but basically you just melt down the 6 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so now that we're all melted down, we're gonna add 12 ounces of marshmallows. So measure with your heart a little bit. Each bag is 10 ounces, so I have 2. I'm gonna add 1 whole bag and then a little bit from the other. But you know what I'm saying, measure with your heart. Here, you add them, and I'll start.
I like that. Those were just from the lights in the pantry. Oh, looks like milk.
Like milk?
Mm-hmm. Like it's marshmallow milk. Let me go back my hand.
Alright, now that we are pretty much melted, I am going to add the salt, which is a half a teaspoon of salt. The strawberry emulsion, which is super red. And I use 1.5 teaspoons of strawberry emulsion. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I'm gonna turn the fire off.
It's not my favorite color.
Red?
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's gonna end up my favorite color.
Pink.
Pink.
The white and pink mix.
White and red.
White and red makes red.
White and red makes what?
Pink.
Yeah.
And pink and white makes light pink.
Alright, so the next step is we're going to pour our marshmallow mixture into the bowl with our Rice Krispies. And now we mix. You mix while I pour in the stuff. Or you want to pour in the stuff? Which one you want to do? Okay, well mix. You gotta dig deep. You gotta hold the bowl with one hand. You gotta mix. I don't know what you doing. Grayson. And now, last but not least, we are just going to put our mixture into the pan and pop it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Spread it out evenly as best as I can. Is it good?
If you want to taste it, you can.
I'll taste it after it's done. I'm gonna sprinkle the rest of the chocolate chips on top. And the rest of the strawberry. I'm gonna crush these strawberries a little bit more. Final press down. Now, I am not a sprinkle girl, but Tootie is a sprinkle guy. Do you want sprinkles on here or no? So we're just gonna do half sprinkles.
Like right here.
Like right here. Don't go past this line.
Do it?
Yeah. You might have to open it up because you got hearts in here. So open your hand. Okay. Back here. You're not gonna put none back here? Alright, that's it. I do like sugar crystals, so I'm gonna do like just a sliver of sugar crystals. Now we pop it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, and this is what we got. Now, you could totally just cut it into bars and let that be the end of it, but y'all know, we extra. And it's about to be Valentine's Day. So we got cookie cutters, so I'm gonna cut a couple of these out and then I'm gonna let Toots cut a couple out. These are big cookie cutters to me.
I think I have a heart in mine.
And your what?
Cookie cutter one.
This is your cookie cutter.
You didn't ask me.
I bought it.
You bought it in the past?
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright. There we go. All right, use yours and cut them out.
Sweet.
Gotta push with all your might.
I mean, okay.
You got it?
Mhm.
Soraya, Ty, Gabe. Come taste our Valentine's Day treats.
We got the chicken.
And now, the taste test. You want sprinkles or no sprinkles?
No sprinkles.
You gotta come tell the people how it tastes. Can they see you? Okay. Strawberries and cream. Rice Krispie treat. Sprinkles or no sprinkles, Gabe? You gotta come tell people. Can I see you? Sprinkles or no sprinkles, Sudie?
Sprinkles.
How was it, y'all?
It's good, real good.
Sprinkles or no sprinkles, Daddy?
Sprinkles. It's good. I don't have no sweet tooth.
I want no sprinkles. Yep, you can have all of this that you want.
It's really good.
10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend. The recipe will be down below in the description box. With that being said, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all know the drill. Tell their grandma. Tell your mama them, tell your daddy them, tell your sister them, tell your brother them, tell your auntie them, tell your uncle them, tell your friends and them, tell your cousins them, tell your grandma them. Tell all of them to get on over here to CC's World TV because we got a lot going on and you don't want to miss it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you made it. And toodles noodles!
Makeup on fleek, I'm ready to slay. Traveling far, living life my way. Standing by my side through thick and thin. Join my journey, let the fun begin. Living an adventure together.